Please, I want you to listen to this video because it is worth your time, especially if you want to grow healthy natural hair. Because what I'm about to share might completely change the way you oil your hair. So, we are going to talk about 5 common oiling mistakes that can quietly damage your hair growth progress and exactly how to fix them. So, let's go straight to the point. Mistake number 1 is oiling a dry and dirty scalp. This is one of the biggest mistakes because many people apply oil directly onto sweaty scalp, product buildup, dust and pollution, or unwashed hair for days. Your scalp is a skin, just like your facial skin. It has pores, it has sebaceous glands and a microbiome. When you apply oil on top of that and build up, you are basically sealing everything in. And this can lead to clogged follicles, inflammation, dandruff, and reduced healthy hair cycling. So, while oil itself it does not block growth, but the environment you create can affect your scalp health, and scalp health is directly linked to your hair growth cycles. So, how do we fix this first mistake? Before oiling, make sure your scalp is clean, or at least there is no heavily buildup. 2. Ensure that you use a gentle cleanser occasionally when you are washing your hair. 3. Apply oil to a fresh or lightly clean scalp. Think of oil like a sealant, not as a cleanser. And so, because of that, it works best when the base is already healthy. Mistake number 2 is using too much oil, and this one is very common. People think if a little oil is good, then more must be better. But hair science doesn't work that way. Hair is made of keratin, a protein fiber. It does not absorb large amounts of oil into the follicle I put it in quotes, to grow faster. When you overoil, what actually happens is hair becomes heavy, scalp may trap sweat and dirt, washing becomes more aggressive, leading to breakage, and buildup increases over time. So, to fix mistake number 2, this is what to do. Use oil like a treatment, not a bath. Okay, use small amounts only. Massage to your scalp. Don't just apply and leave it, just apply and massage. Focus on the scalp, focus on the hair strands, and also focus on your ends. And then ensure not everything is heavily, but think light coating, not soaking. Mistake number 3 is using the wrong type of oil for your hair need. Not all oils behave the same way on your hair. I want you to know that not all oils behave the same way on your hair. From a science perspective, oils generally fall into 3 categories: penetrating oils, sealing oils, and light oils. For penetrating oils, we have like coconut oil. They can enter the hair shaft slightly. I repeat that. They can enter the hair shaft slightly. For the sealing oils like castor oil, olive oil, they coat and reduce moisture loss. For the light oils like jojoba oil, they mimic natural scalp sebum. Okay, now here is the problem. Many people choose oil based on trends, based on your YouTube influencer, your TikTok influencer, is promoting, and not according to your hair condition. For example, using heavy oils on your low porosity hair leads to buildup. Using very light oils on very dry hair, no moisture sealing effect. Okay, how do we fix mistake number 3? This is how we fix this mistake. Match oil to your hair goal. Dry, brittle hair equals to sealing oil in small amounts. A scalp that is dry, lighter oils like jojoba oil. Protein sensitive hair, avoid overly heavily coating oils. Your hair does not need popular oil. I put that in quotes. Your hair does not need popular oils. It needs the right oil according to your hair need. Mistake number 4 is expecting oil to make hair grow fast. I know we are so many of us in this mistake number 4, but this is where science becomes very important. Let's be clear. Hair growth happens inside the follicle in the scalp. Oil does not directly increase the speed of follicle cell division. What oil can do is it can reduce breakage, it can reduce moisture loss, it can improve scalp comfort, and it can protect the hair shaft, among other benefits. So, if someone says this oil made my hair grow super fast, for example, in 2 weeks, what likely happened is that oil reduced breakage, that oil gave a better length retention, that oil improved scalp condition, not actual faster follicle growth. I don't know how many are going to agree with me on mistake number 4. Kindly, if you agree with me, I want you to comment down there below and tell me what do you think about this mistake number 4, which we normally I count myself in, because for me before I used to think the same, that oil is going to make my hair grow, but I didn't know that oil is coming to just provide a conducive environment, and by providing a conducive environment, now that one gives a chance for my hair to thrive, and through that I'm able to see growth. So comment down there below and tell me what do you think about that. Now, how do we fix this mistake number 4? The first thing we need to do is to change your mindset. Don't use oil to grow hair. Use oil to protect the hair you are already growing naturally. Growth is internal, oil is external protection. Yeah, I think that's the right, definition of this. Growth is internal, oil is external protection. When you understand this, you stop overusing products and you start focusing on retention. Mistake number 5 is oiling without massaging the scalp correctly. Now, let's talk about something interesting. Scalp massage is often recommended, but most people do it wrongly. Gentle scalp massage can 1. Improve blood flow temporarily, help distribute natural oils, reduce tension on scalp muscles. Now, the problem is not massage itself, it is how people do it. Many people, they scratch aggressively, they use nails, they irritate the scalp, and they cause micro inflammation, and microinflammation can actually disrupt healthy hair growth cycle. Okay, how do we fix mistake number 5? Do it correctly. How do you do it? Use your fingertips, not your nails. Ensure that you do gentle circular motions. Use 3 to 5 minutes. Those ones are enough. No pain, no scratching. Just be gentle. Think of stimulation, not scratching. So, finally, I will say this. If you take only one thing from this video, let it be this: that healthy hair growth is a system, not a single product. Oil is, just one part of nutrition, one part of scalp health, one part of hydration balance, one part of protective styling, one part of breakage control, and many other things. If any one part is weak, you will feel like your hair is not growing, but most of the time it is growing, but it is not being retained. So now you know the truth. The problem is not always your hair. Sometimes it is the small habits, how much oil you use, where you apply it, when you apply it, and what you expect from it. So fix those 5 mistakes, and what you will often see is not faster growth overnight, but you will see much better retention over time, which is what actually creates long hair. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel.